Mr. Menenser, you testified you originally owned the dog, Chowser, correct?
Yes.
You raised him from a puppy, correct?
Yes.
And all the times you lived with him and owned him, how many times did he attack you?
He did not attack me.
Okay. I'd like to talk to you about the incident with the mailman, 2004.
Okay.
You didn't witness this event, did you?
I did not.
You received a letter and you showed it to Mr. Ipsa as you testified.
Yes.
But you told Mr. Ipsa that you didn't believe Chowser was vicious, didn't you?
Yes.
Turning your attention to the Halloween incident, you didn't witness this event either, did you?
I did not.
And you testified just on direct examination that you didn't know if anything was thrown at the house, correct?
Correct. There were eggs that I cleaned off the next day from the house. The boy did have the egg carton with him.
And you learned later that the house had been egged, correct?
Yes.
And that eggs had been thrown while the dog was in the front yard, correct?
Yes.
Aside from the boy who threw eggs at your house on Halloween evening, how many other people did Chowser attack that night?
None.
My client told you that the boy that evening had only been pinned to the ground, correct?
He was also bitten.
But my client told you that he had only been pinned to the ground, correct?
Yes.
In the 5 years since that incident, from 2005 to 2010, has Chowser been involved in any other incidents?
No.
Yet you decided to get rid of him, didn't you?
Yes.
But you didn't really get rid of him, Mr. Minister, did you?
I made him where he was not my liability.
Okay. You sold him to your roommate, my client, Mr. Ipsa, correct?
Yes.
And up until June 2010, the dog still lived in your house, correct?
Yes.
So you had no problem living with this dog that you testified was, and I'm quoting here, obviously dangerous and vicious, so long as it wasn't your responsibility, right?
Yes.
And from time to time, you and your roommate would let the dogs out into the backyard, right?
Yes.
When the dogs were in the backyard, you made it a point to keep the gates closed, correct?
Yes.
So you would say it would be exceedingly rare for the dogs to be in the backyard and the gates to be open, correct?
Yes.
Now, you testified just a few moments ago that the sprocket to connect the hose was in the front of the house, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Just to clarify, thank you. Initially, you were...
For the convenience of the court, could you show me where on that map that spigot is?
Absolutely.
Well, I'm asking the witness. Do you know where it is?
Front of the house is what I've been...
Front of the house? So
Meaning...
The side of the house that has those trees on it as opposed to the side of the house with the pool?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
But we do keep... yes, that's correct. Yes.
Mr. Minister, you were initially a party to this lawsuit, weren't you?
Yes.
And you were dropped from the suit?
Yes, it was.
Before this trial, you had never spoken to the plaintiff, had you?
No.
Okay. And this incident occurred on your property, didn't it?
Yes.
After you were dropped as a defendant in this suit, you agreed to testify on behalf of the plaintiff, correct?
Yes.
But you didn't witness the alleged attack on the plaintiff on June 6th, did
No.
you? In fact, much like the other two incidents, you didn't see anything at all.
No.
You did receive a phone call from your neighbor, correct?
Yes.
And you came home. That's what brought you home, correct?
Yes.
What, if anything, did you learn from that phone call?
She just sounded nervous and said I needed to come home, so I came home.
So, Mr. Minister, let me get this straight. You were contacted by the plaintiff after she dropped you from the lawsuit to testify about a dog you lived with but thought was vicious, yet never actually witnessed with your own eyes acting vicious?
Objection. Compound question.
Sustained.
No further questions.